Hey, this is Dave with ChaseTheSummit.com. I got something different for you today. Today we're going to be comparing the stabilization in the brand new DJI Osmo Action and how it stacks up against the Insta360 One X camera, which previously I thought had the best stabilization out of any action camera I've ever seen. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below to see more content like this. Alright, so here's my rig today. Got the DJI Osmo Action on the left and the Insta360 One X on the right. We're gonna run up this hill. I'm probably gonna run out of breath, sound like an idiot, but you know, it's all in the name of science. Alright, so first let's do just a quick audio test. I'm holding the cameras at about an arm's length, and can you hear my voice? How do I sound? I'm gonna guess the Insta360 One X sounds like crap because I've used it before. And the Osmo Action sounds okay, I hope. So what's cool about the Insta360 One X is that you can just spin around and capture whatever frame you want, because you're literally capturing everything around you. On the Osmo Action, you gotta aim it at stuff. Good opportunity to compare the Insta360's flow state, I think they call it flow state stabilization, against the Osmo Action's Rock Steady. Some gimmicky names, but they both work pretty good. Made it up to the top of Bear Hill here. There's a couple of people at the top. Something that's just totally mind-blowing about the 360 cameras. The Insta360 One X, you basically just mount it on a stick and you don't really have to worry about where you're aiming it. So that's all I got, guys. What do you think? Which one looks better? The DJI Osmo Action or the Insta360 One X? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what else I could compare these to. Obviously the GoPro, but I don't have one of those with me today. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, and go check out ChaseTheSummit.com for more content like this.